Hello friends, welcome back again. I hope you all are doing good. In this video we will learn how can we just edit the unsubscribed contact in the MailChimp. Let's get started. Once you open the MailChimp, then you can just click on the audience, and in this you have to click on the all contacts. And now here you just have to wait for a few seconds. You can get all your contacts here. You just have to click on the contact that you want to edit. Now you can see actions. Click on this. You can unsubscribe, resubscribe, VIP or archive. Also add or remove tags if you want. Also you just can click on the name, and you can see here you can edit all the information. You just have to click on the information that you want to edit. So this is how you can edit the contact information here. That's it for this video guys. I hope it was good help to you. Thanks for watching this, and I will see you in the next video.